So this is what happened today. We have four major news.
Military launch multiple attacks on USA bases in
So we
Syria.
start with the
Today is 8.
attacks on
China
American
news. This
bases
is from
in
China
Syria and
news,
Iraq.
Chinese news.
So
I'll
today
share the link. So
we have an attack
it's
on
Damascus.
American base.
Iran backed military launched 3 assaults on US
I'll share the
military
links.
bases in Syria on Monday, the latest in a series of escalated attacks carried out against the
So these groups supported by
Israeli
Iran
military assault in
attacked
Gaza.
American base
So this is
in Syria near the oil gas field.
We have attack follow strikes on the.
So this is the largest base, USA base in Syria. It was attacked.
Attack on US bases within Syrian territory by Iran-backed militia since October 19.
So it is number 82, the 82nd attack on US base since October last year. So we have the Iranian ships explode.
Iranian ships exploded. So this is the incident. So let's read here. The explosion, the cause of which remains a mystery, resulted in notable damage
So
to the
Iranian
vessels,
ships exploded.
one of which known to be
We
a
don't
spy
know if
ship
it was who did it.
aiding Houthi
We know that
operation.
the explosion
Yet to be
for some days ago in Tehran, it was
already sparked
it was carried on by ISIS, killed about 150 Iranians. It was, I believe, suicide bomber. So the ISIS tried to get involved by attacking Iranians. They hate the Iranians because they are Shia Muslims and they are Sunni Muslims. But I don't believe they can endanger the Iranian groups. They are very, very weak now, ISIS in Iraq and Syria. We have attack on Tel Aviv. Hamas fire rockets at Tel Aviv today. This first time since New Year Day, since 1 week ago. So Israel is attacked again with rockets from Gaza. This is very strange because they say they occupy Gaza now, but still the rockets are coming down on Tel Aviv. We have Hezbollah. Israel today kills top commander from Hezbollah.
Escalation. This is also from today. So
the war is ongoing, and there's no illusion that the war will stop soon.
Airstrike in southern Lebanon.
It might escalate. Now we have attack on American bases in Syria. Israel kills top commander in Lebanon. Hezbollah top commander in southern Lebanon. Hamas fire rockets, and Iranian ships explodes. So that's all, people. Blessings.